Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Little trick about text to path. Most people already know that you can go text to path and put on your path and really put it kind of in or out. But see that red bar right above my cursor? That means it's in the center. You can also do it another way. You don't even have to have it starting typing. Get your text tool, and when you have your text tool, you have this A with the cursor on it. Well, when you get it closer, it becomes a squiggly line. And if you go right there to the quadrant and then hit your left mouse button, and now we can go text to path. I think the one advantage over this is if you wanted to keep typing other words and wanted to see how long it was going to look, I'm just going to put a bunch of ones. See, it's evening it out. You could figure out how many characters you could get before you type all the characters out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. So just get your text mode and get that squiggly line right on the quadrant, and then that word will be in the center of your text, of your ellipse or circle. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.